Hashtag short. All right, guys, I'm back at this Jeep. Yes, my parts finally came in. Guys, I got a new push start PM module. I got a new key, and I have a new wind module. Okay, yes, that is the problem with this car. I did have a fault code. I'm gonna put the code in the description. All right, now to do this, I can't do it on a hashtag short video. That's for damn sure. But I will have to remove just about this whole underside coverage. Basically, you're supposed to remove the panel, but there's some shortcuts I can get around not doing that. And you got to be crazy not to utilize your shortcuts in a safe and effective way. Okay, just because something pays to remove all of this, if you don't have to, you don't have to. One guy on the comments be drilling me about not doing it the right way by the book. My dude, I have a better way to do it that's quicker and more efficient. And I'm going to get it done that way. I'm just updating you guys. My parts are in. We're going to get this no-start Jeep fixed. All right? That's all I have, man. Hashtag short.